Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to our channel.
Oops, sorry. Sorry.
Someone is very excited.
Yeah, you.
Today we're gonna make Suncatcher for you guys' rooms.
Ooh.
Cool.
Yeah, it is cool.
You're gonna make it a Mickey Mouse.
Ooh.
And Bella gonna make a flower.
In the video that make so we can make more videos. Woo! Yeah. What's that squad? Everyone.
All you need, you're gonna need a picture frame, acrylic markers, and your children.
Yeah.
I got the photo frames from the Dollar Tree. Then I print out Suncatcher design that I would like to make with my children. Try to make in the same size that is the picture frame. I used the puffy fabric paint to outline the designs. Then you need to wait at least a few hours to completely dry. I waited till the next day. When you remove the picture from behind and you see there is some area didn't reach, you can fix that up. Like you see, you can use the same idea for any design you would like. Here I'm making a second one, a Mickey Mouse. Now we're ready. Gonna be working on a Mickey Mouse and your flowers. So you're gonna start with the feet.
Yeah, I'm going
So we got our markers here.
Mama, the feet is yellow. The feet is yellow. It's in the bottom right here.
The yellow part is on the bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
See.
It's okay if the kids get out of the lines. You can always use a tissue or a wipe to clean it up.
Let's go you subscribe.
Our Suncatchers turned out great.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us. See you
Bye.
next time. Bye.